Hello everyone, welcome back to codingscientist.com. You are watching Hacking Raspberry Pi. It's one of a zero to hero kind of series. Alright folks, so the previous lesson you learned about capturing a still image using MicroPython code in Thani IDE, and you were able to successfully capture an image using the CSI camera connected to your Raspberry Pi and save that image on your desktop. Now when it comes to the machine learning and artificial intelligence aspects, we need multiple dimensions of images, like multiple images of same class. Basically you will learn about the object oriented programming at a later stage when it comes to objects and classes, right? So we got to take a primary image and define different sets of class of an object. In order to do that, we need multiple sets of images or videos or any kind of data sets which will get into the AI training aspects. So all those things you are going to learn in the future. I'm going to show you how to install TensorFlow neural network, some of the algorithms and kind of things, which is going to be very interesting. But for all those, we need to capture data. So in order to capture data, it's practically not possible to keep on clicking an image again and again. So I'm going to show you a way to within your MicroPython code to capture multiple sets of image at a stretch by running the code. So it's going to be pretty straightforward and simple. Let's move on. So I am going to connect to my VNC. I am already connected. So what I did using the previous set of codes, all I did was I just put this entire capturing process into a loop, that is using the for loop in range of 5. So that means I'm going to capture 5 different images of the same still of me. I'm just going to focus the camera on my side and 5 different images. You can modify this to say 10 or 20 or say even 100. It doesn't matter. So I'm just going to keep it minimal and then sleep for a few seconds and then save those images on your desktop with the same quality. So let's go ahead and run. I'm going to focus the camera towards me and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to run. You can, as soon as I click run button, the images will be saved here on the desktop one at a time. There's going to be 5 different images. So run. Let me cross my finger. I hope we get a clear picture. There is no error. Yeah, I tried this already. It worked, so I don't anticipate any error until there is any mismatch in the code. So all right, there you go, it's running. So image 1 on the desktop, image 2, image 3, 2 more images, image 3, image 4. So it starts with 0, right? Always the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and one more is yet to come. So there are 5. Yeah, there you go. So we got 5 images, which is good, guys, which is pretty good, right? So let me open this image and see how it looks. Okay, this is cool. So this is the first image which has been captured in the loop, and then this is the second image. There you go, while I was talking to you guys on the video. And then the third image, there you go. And the fourth image, this is also pretty good. And then the fifth image. So can you see, guys, how quickly you can collect the data within your Raspberry Pi? Now let me just delete this. And what we can do is we will try to capture some more images. I'm just moving all this to trash. I can select everything together and move to trash, but just in case, for a safer side. Now let's do one thing. Instead of 5, let's collect 10 images. So I'm going to change the code here a bit, make it as 10. And then click on save. Make sure every time you change your code, you save it first before you run it. And then I'm going to hold the camera and then change it. I'm going to run this. Okay, I'm going to change the direction of the camera so that it captures multiple images around my lab where I am sitting. Okay, there you go. The first image has been captured, and then the second image. Total we should get about 3 images, and the third image, there you go, it's working perfect, guys. And fourth image, and then we will have the fifth image, and we need 5 more. So let's see. Oh, there you go, fifth image, 6. Fantastic. So looks flawless, isn't it? It's exciting, right? So it's so easy to collect multiple sets of images as your data point for the machine learning exercises. Excuse me. All right, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. So we have 10 images. Let me open the 10th image and see what happens. Okay, there you go. This was the last image. Let me close it. Let me open this. Okay, let me open this one. All right, let me open this one. Okay, it's come up pretty well. So we are getting multiple sets of data in different angles of an image, which is pretty good, right? Okay, it's a bit shaky, it's not a clear image, but it's okay, it should be fine. Let me check if the control button works to, I don't think control works here. So I need to delete all these images. So anyways, I can do that later. So guys, it's so easy, isn't it? So I'm going to leave this code. It's just adding a simple for loop and add the number of images you need and save it on the desktop. So go ahead and try it out, practice this, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.